The heart of the BRU is inside the drum here. We have our separator, and it all begins here at the front. We get our slurry in this pipe into the separator. On the top of this pipe we have a pressure switch. This pressure switch adjusts the pump so that we don't get too much slurry into the separator. We also have an overflow. This is the pipe up here. So if we get too much material in, too much slurry, it runs back to the tank. The gearbox here at the front runs the auger. The auger starts here in the inlet of the separator, takes the material into the screen we have in here, and this is where we separate our slurry. The outlet of the separator is adjusted by these weights, and the further to the top we have the weights, the drier we get the material. The further down, the more wet we get it. React water, the clear water of the separator, runs out through this pipe and back into the storage tank. At the end of the separator we have the material coming out, and on this separator, on this BRU unit, we have about 38% TS. The material falls down here and will be taken by an auger into the drum. In the drum the material will be for approximately 6 hours, 8 hours, and at the same time in the drum we have a ventilator that pulls fresh air through the drum. With fresh air and movement of the material inside the drum, the fiber, the bacteria start works, and they heat up to 65 to 70 degrees. In this period, 6 to 8 hours, with 65 to 70 degrees, all bacteria will be killed. The bedding material is coming out of the BRU drum with the temperature of approximately 65 to 70 degrees. 99% of all bacteria are now dead. The TS of the material is 42 to 45%, so very nice bedding material. Here we have the control of the BRU on this touch screen. We can see the temperature out of the container. We can see the temperature at the beginning of the container. We can see the RPM on the drum, at the moment 58, RPM of the separator, at the moment 20, the pump, the ventilator, and on this touch screen we adjust the whole setting of the BRU. Down here we have some manual buttons, automatic, manual of the whole system, stop of the system, start of the system, and we have also a red lamp if some failure on the system.